At 10 years old, I knew something was wrong. Back then, I didn't have the words. But I wanted to disappear, and I didn't know why. I'd always wonder what I'd say to 10-year-old me, if given the chance. Hey. Hey. Put it down. You've got no reason to trust me. You probably don't even know who I am. But I know you. And I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you. It gets much worse than this. Yeah, I know that's probably the last thing you want to hear right now, but the truth of the matter is, life doesn't get any easier. You just get better. You grow up to pursue that dream of yours. You tell your story, and you help people heal. You learn to love, and also to leave when you aren't loved well. You laugh loudly, cry freely. You take up space. And eventually, life meets you where you are. It's far from perfect. It's not pain-free, but it's oh so worth it. I swear to you, it's worth it. So please, please put it down. Not because life gets easier, but because you get better. And eventually, life gets better too. I promise.